Hello everybody, SF Simpu here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to see your Facebook account created date in a simple way. So let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and then go to the three dot menu here and then click to the scroll down and click to the setting and privacy options. After that, click to the settings options and click to the profile setting and scroll down and you can see option that access profile information, so click on that and then scroll down and click to the personal information options, so click on personal information options and click to the see more options. After that, you will see in the first portion of the page, which is personal information, and then your account creation date. The date is you created your account is August 2022. So that's the process how you can see your Facebook created date. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one.